Dry, warm, sunny weather yet again, and it lasts all week long. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday and Ed Balls.
It is official. March was, what, the sunniest for how long?
The sunniest for England since our records began, so since 1910.
The sunniest ever?
Yeah, the sunniest that we've ever recorded. And it was basically record-breaking for everything. I have some stats for you. Of course I do. Who doesn't love a stat? So all of the UK basically had sunny, dry and warm weather for March, now that we've totted up all of our totals. So for the UK as a whole, it was the third sunniest, but for England, it was the sunniest we've ever recorded. That goes back to 1910. We had 14 more hours of sunshine than we've ever recorded before for March. Rainfall-wise, it was exceptionally dry for the whole of the UK. 43% of our normal rainfall. That's the driest we've seen for 13 years. And we also saw a lot of sunshine as well with those, and that meant the temperatures were up. So 1.3 degrees above average. That's the 10th warmest, so not as record-breaking as the other stats we've seen. And it looks like April's going to continue. The next few days, temperatures are way above average. And in fact, for those who are thinking of heading off for the Easter break, the UK temperatures we're set to experience higher than many of our popular holiday hotspots. Here's the why. High pressure. This is the reason. Now, low pressure brings wet and windy. High pressure keeps the things fine and settled. It stops weather fronts making progress. In fact, for the next few days, the near continent set to be pretty unsettled with some rain or showers, and they could just clip the far southwest better than the 8 degrees our sea temperatures are at the moment. But yes, with regards to the temperatures here versus Cannes, we are very similar to Andy's Day, and in fact, we have more sunshine than they have. And through the next few days, it warms up for us. Our top temperature on Friday will be 22 degrees Celsius, and it will make us hotter than many of our popular holiday destinations. So that feels sort of welcome news. But what it also means is we have beautiful sunshine by day, but we have chilly conditions in the coming nights, and a little bit of a breeze continues for western areas. Now, first thing this morning, it's not clear for everybody. We have some fog for central and eastern areas of northern England. That will slowly lift and clear. And then, after it being chilly first thing, those temperatures quickly dial up and it will be above average across the board. Eastern coast with this cool onshore flow from those 8 degrees sea temperatures pegged back. West is best when it comes to temperatures today, 17, maybe 18 degrees. But with the strength of the sunshine, UV levels moderate across the whole of the UK, and tree pollen yet again will be moderate across the whole of the UK, and it climbs as we head through the week. So let's take a look at how things are looking for the rest of our week. And it's high pressure that's blocking the weather fronts. It stops them moving in from the Atlantic and it keeps things dry. And we have this southerly feed of air which keeps things mild. So for the north of the UK, temperatures should be around about 10 degrees, but they are way above average for the rest of the week. And even though they moderate a little through the weekend, it stays above average. Percentage chance of rainfall, well, high pressure does its job. It acts like a force field, keeping the rain at bay. So the outlook is dry. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures first of all. These are our average high temperatures. We could get up to at least 22 degrees on Friday, a little cooler into the weekend and moderating back to average by next week. Percentage chance of rainfall, it's largely dry, perhaps a few showers in the southwest tomorrow. But for many of us, spring, sunshine and a lot of it. There's a very little change with the weather as we head through the next few days. We still have dry, fine, settled weather by day. It does mean we have some chilly conditions over the coming night, so a touch of frost first thing this morning and some mist and fog developing across the northeast of England. But good morning to you. There is plenty of sunshine around today and it lasts all the way until Saturday. Today, though, with clear skies, it means it's a chilly start first thing this morning, but gorgeous blue skies take us through the day. Initially, we've got some fog to contend with across the northeast of England. That will slowly lift. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Today's weather, just like yesterday, and very similar to the weather we'll have tomorrow. Dry, sunny and pleasantly warm for many of us. It is clear and chilly. First thing, we've had a touch of frost, but already those temperatures climbing as that sunshine strength dials up. Mist and fog initially in the northeast clears away. This nagging easterly wind makes it feel cool here. Temperatures still above average for all of us, but the sea temperatures here mean temperatures 11 to 14. Elsewhere, we're looking at 17, 18, maybe 19 degrees in the sunshine again today.